started his voice acting career after winning a competition in ECMN's Drama and Singing Contest, Radio Radio. Pocholo aced his education as a BA Speech Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. He then took his MA in Broadcast Communication in the same school, all while he is making his name in the voice acting industry. Pocholo's biggest accomplishment as a voice artist is being the voice of the greatest book ever written, the Holy Bible. Pocholo has been selected among dozens of voice artists to read the Filipino audio Bible produced by Biblica. He established Creative Voices Production in 2005, where he believed that voice acting is an art that needs to be further developed. Creative Voices Productions in 2005, the premier voiceover company in the country today. Under his company, Pocholo built the first and only voice acting school in the country, the Philippine Center for Voice Acting. Because of all his accomplishments as a voice artist, Pocholo became the only Filipino Asian panelist in the 2012 VoiceOver International Creative Experience Convention held in Anaheim, California. Being the voice master of the Philippines, Pocholo is by far the most acknowledged and recognized voice artist in the country. He has been featured in several television programs like Balitang K, Matanglawin, Kagakaisong, Naswang Ladies, ABS-CBN, and so and so forth. Pocholo is the founder of Voice of the Youth Network, VOTY, an advocacy organization that aims to inform, inspire, evoke, and empower the Filipino youth through media and information and communications technology. Actually, Pocholo is one of the prides of Mariveles. Ladies and gentlemen, one of my new members, Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez. The second one actually is not so beautiful kasi mas maganda yung nanay. Ladies and gentlemen, my eldest daughter, Carissa Isabella Lasso, presently first year college student in AU. No? The next one, the third na, i-introduce ko po sa inyo, is Mr. Harold Macapagal. Mr. Harold Macapagal, born and raised in Bataan, graduated from ACLC as BSIT and currently the President and CEO of Inspire Incorporated, an IT company based in Bataan. Worked from humble beginnings. He strived hard to become what he is today by constantly being updated and abreast with what technology has to offer. Noting that the most important ingredient of the company are its personnel. Mr. Macapagal always made it a point that personal welfare is of paramount importance. Represented by Mr. Noel Tabag, kasi he is not here po because of business matters. May I call on Mr. Noel Tabag? Thank you so much. Next one. To charge our new members, may I call on past district governor Bugoy Valles.
Bakit sa taas?
Kanina sabi ko, nag-prepare ako para sa new members. So when I charged the officers and the president, yun yung pinrepare ko para sa new members. Oh, let me continue with your intelligence, go back. Let me continue. You know, in Rotary, we do not apply to become a member. We choose you. We invite you as the best representative of your profession. I heard you, meron the boys, meron IT, you were invited because the club saw in you as the best representative of your profession. So you represent your profession in the club. We are the only organization, as I said before, that recruits based on diversity. That's one of our values of diversity. So, in order to be a successful Rotarian, you have to be the best in your profession. And what comes with it is another value, that value of leadership. You lead your fellow professionals in your profession. That's why you are in a club. At sama naman na naging Rotarian ka tapos you failed as an engineer, di ba? It should be the other way around. Rotary should enhance your profession when you join the Rotary. And as I was saying before, your number one rule as a new members is to understand why we are asked to attend meeting every week, because it will not make any sense for you to do service to the community if you don't love your club. If there is no fellowship, this is my main argument when I was the governor, if there is no fellowship, there is no meaningful service, believe me. And if there's no meaningful service, your donation to the Rotary Foundation, which is the biggest and the most encompassing organization in the world, will have no meaning also. Yung mga pins natin will have no meaning. So it starts with loving your club. And the only way to do that, to show that, is for you to attend the meetings. And you don't only love your club, you also have to love your district. Every year, we tell the new members, we have to support our club because your club supports the Rotary International. Question, trivia. Sino po ang member ng Rotary International? Sila ba? Hindi po. The member of Rotary International is your club. That's why you have to support your club. And there's only one person here in this room who will be a member of the Rotary International, and that's our governor. So we support our governor. Basically, that will be your charge. To attend meetings, to do service, to enjoy the fellowship of the club, be great in your profession, lead your fellow professionals in your profession, and live the life of integrity. Do you accept the charge? Do you accept the charge?
Yes, I do.
Mahina ba ba? Mahina? Okay. One more question. Do you accept the charge?
Yes, I do.
I think they are ready for the induction. Who's going to the induction? AG, ikaw ba?
Yes, to induct our new members, may I call on Assistant Governor Teresita Robertson.
Welcome to the Water Rotary.
Please.
Having been elected as
Please all stand up for the solemnity of the induction.
I,
Jason Quebral,
solemnly pledge that I will perform well and faithfully to the best of my ability. Okay, sorry. Okay, I do hereby solemnly pledge that I will perform well and faithfully to the best of my ability my duties as a member in order to contribute to the achievement of the objectives of the Rotary Club and that of the Rotary International. So help me God. Congratulations.
You can all congratulate. Take a picture with your new members. First, Rotary Club of Limay. May I call on District Governor and AG so that we can take a picture. Isa-isa po, isa-isa.